Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and like always, we are here to, speak with you, have a chat, and also learn things that will help us as we navigate our way through life. It is very important for us to understand that in this life, we would always run into one person or the other group of people. There will be different kinds of situations, and there is nothing that is going to happen in your life that has never happened, before, maybe with someone or in another place. So it's always good to have enough information to guide you as you also, journey through this walk of life. Well, if you have just joined us, I want you to know that this program is aimed at getting you to do the best and getting the best out of you. It is very important that you invite a friend so he can also join and share this link, and please like the channel. We are looking forward to having many more people, joining. Now, our programs are also based on, previous ones. Therefore, if you have not watched our previous, videos, it will be good for you to take time and also go through, because sometimes we refer to things that we have mentioned, previously, and you may not get the full content if we are making reference and we were not touching, fully on a particular subject or topic. So today we are going to talk about yet another important topic, which is very vital as you, relate and walk in this world. The topic is being relevant in life. Being relevant in life. And like I always say, there are many more things that we could talk about, but I will give you the ones that are very important, without which success or being relevant will not be possible. We'll look at a few things. In this life, there are things that are very important. When somebody does something for you, you have to show appreciation. Appreciation. Tell the person, thank you. Oh, I'm so glad for you coming out to help. Many people fail because of maybe relationships that we have, and maybe how much you know someone. When the person does something for you, oh, that's my friend, that's my brother, we don't really have to say thank you. We are used to, hearing thanks, and you say no thanks. But that is just an ethical way of saying, that's okay, I really appreciate it. But it is very important for us to always show gratitude, to show appreciation. When somebody does something for you, tell the person you are thankful. Go further by saying you really appreciate what he or she has done. The next thing that will help you and make you relevant, in spite of who you're dealing with, is for you to be able to also offer a service, offer help. Ask people, how can I help you? What can I do to support you? By doing that, you are letting the person know you value your relationship and you are ready to jump on board and be a team player. Ask people, what can I do to help you? Or how can I be helpful? Sometimes you watch a friend does something and you just, talking, you give him the moral support and having a chat. But it's also important when you ask, is there anything specifically you would want me to do as you do this job? Ask how you can also be part of it. This will help you be relevant. And when you are relevant, you are accepted, you are loved, you are accommodated, and you can also bring a contribution. It is very important. So it's for you to make sure you are what? Appreciative, you show thanks, and you also offer to contribute, to assist, to help. Going forward, you need to also seek the opinions of other people, especially when you are in a group doing something. You may be the leader. You may be the one who plans and brings, what is supposed to be done to the people, but you need to also ask their opinion. They could have, an input that will strengthen what you are bringing on board. Never think your mind is the only mind. The reason why you work in teams and does things with people Is so you can also borrow some mind. So ask people, what is your opinion? What is your opinion? What are your views on this? What else can you add to this? And then they will tell you it's all good, it's all fine. If I was going to add something, that would be 0.3, but you've done it. And then you know that you are in a team of supportive and people who are thinking in the same direction like you. This works at work, it works in the family, it works in school, it works everywhere you find yourself. What is your opinion? Opinions are very, very important. And therefore, you need to know the opinions of others, and you need also to express your opinion. Having said this, you don't have to wait if you know what I'm talking about. In a group where maybe the person leading does not know, he would have to ask the opinions of others. You help that person by saying, can I, do a contribution? Can I, say something? Is it possible to? You do that respectfully. You do that tactfully so that you don't break the team spirit and you don't break, the leadership, ladder that is there. It is very, very important that we always are relevant in our life and work. Well, if you just join us, this is today's family program, and I want you to just take the next minute, invite a friend to join this program before it finishes, and make sure that you like this channel and also share on your platforms. We're looking forward to having many more people experience and to also benefit from what we are talking about over here. Going forward, one of the things that is missing, especially in life, is thanking people. I've said be thankful. I've said be appreciative. But now the thing, thank you, is words that are very, very important, yet very lousily used. Well, thanks. Yeah, okay, take care. No, take time to thank people for what they do. If it means writing a note, getting a card, a thank you card, say thank you for your help. Thank you for your prayer. Thank you for your support. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Don't just limit it to words. Put it in action. Quantify it. Let your thank you be a memory. That's why you need to get a little card that says thank you. How about that? When somebody tells you thank you, how do you feel? The person will feel the same way you do when you also say thank you to him. The other thing that will make you relevant in life is that you never have to give up. Never give up. What do I mean by never give up? Don't take no for an answer. Because if something can come in your mind, then it means it is executable. If something can drop in your brain, it means that thing can be moved from that imaginary position into a realistic position. Everything you see around has its origin as an idea, as a thought. Then people put stuff to it, added material to that idea, and it became evident. So please do not limit yourself to just your ideas. Bring the ideas into fruition and you will be relevant. Lastly, I would like to say, don't think you are the only person on this planet. Although when it comes to doing certain things, you must do it as though you are the only person who will do it. You want to assist someone, assist the person in a way as if nobody else would assist if you don't. But then when you are working, when you are in the family, when you are making some decisions, you need to bring others on board. Be a team player. Use the words we instead of I. Oh, I am doing this. I am doing that. If you are in a team, we are. Yes, you might be the person at the head of it, but we are, because it is the team that makes the dream work. It is very, very important, friends, for you to be relevant in life. Being relevant in life does not cost you a dime. All you need is to release the values, the virtues, the positives that are in you. and make everyone that comes into your sphere feel better than he came in. Until we talk again next week, I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this has been your program, Today's Family. Looking forward to seeing you again. And please don't forget to like this channel, share with friends, and invite others to join in. If you have any questions, you are free to contact us, and we will definitely give you answers. Take care and have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.